Okay, to connect the Keywe Wi-Fi bridge, right? Firstly, you go to the Keywe apps, right? You go to setting and set up stroke manage your bridge, right? Click here and you click connect now. So my bridge is connected at here. Okay, so it's blinking red and green, right? So I click connect now. Keywe Wi-Fi bridge. Okay, so the phone will automatically find the bridge. Okay, just select and continue. Okay, key in the bridge name. So I can key in KD showroom. Okay, continue and put in your Wi-Fi password. Okay, Wi-Fi password. Right, continue. Okay, and click continue. Okay, connected successfully. Click continue. And it will appear here, right? To connect this bridge with the door lock, so you just click the door lock